Good morning, dear students. So, today we will see language. In previous lecture, we have seen symbol, alphabet, and we have seen string. So, now the fourth basic term that we will see, that is language. So, as you already know what is language, but we have to talk about this language in terms of computer science. So, here we will define this one. After that, I will inform you some examples how we will make some language and what is finite, what is infinite language. So all these things we will discuss. So here we will say a language is a set of strings. So in previous lecture we have seen string. So string already you are aware of. So now this language is a set of strings chosen from some sigma star. That sigma already you know, that is alphabet, and asterisk, this one we will say, or star if you want to say. So meaning of this one is means zero or more. The asterisk means zero or more, or we can say a language is a subset of sigma star. A language which can be formed over sigma can be finite or infinite. So language can be finite also and infinite also. So with the help of some examples, I will inform you when language will be finite, when language will be infinite. So all these things is based on our need. So what we want, so that will decide whether language will be finite or infinite. So here we will see first example, that is L1. Suppose we are denoting language as L. So here 1 is denoting means example, like first example L1. So no need to bother about 1, 2, all these things. L, suppose we are saying language L. So language L, suppose we are saying set of all strings of length 2. Length 2, all strings we have to find, and parallelly we are aware of that alphabet, that is sigma, is a comma b, means with the help of a comma b, that alphabet, we have to find all strings of length 2. We have to find the set of all strings of length 2. That will be the language. So that language we are saying as L1. As you already know, if we are finding all strings of length 2 with alphabet, that is sigma a comma b, so at the time AA will come, AB string will come, BA string will come, and BB. So all these four strings will come. So this one is one set, and as you already know that set is having all elements as distinct manner. So here you will see this one is a finite language. Finite means here we can count that only four strings possible in this set. Only four strings are possible. So that we are saying as finite language. Now we are talking about second language. So second is set of all strings which start with A. Suppose we are already aware that alphabet sigma, that is a comma b. So here we have to make set of all string with which start with a. So how we will make all string? So here empty will not come because empty is not starting with a. So here we can say a. Empty we can add at any place, either here also, before a also, after a also, because empty means empty. So here a, or like that manner AA also can be possible, AB also can be possible, but BA not possible because it is starting with A. String should start with A. But if we are talking about BA, so BA means string is starting with B. So that will not come. So here AB, AB will come because it's starting with A. ABA will come starting with A. ABA again suppose A ABB will come, triple AAA will come. So all those strings that are starting with A will come. So here we cannot tell means how many string, that string can be infinite. So because of that, if a set is having infinite strings, then we will say that language as infinite language because we cannot count here how many strings are coming. So because of this reason, this one is infinite language. Now here we will see powers of sigma, that is alphabet. Say suppose we are saying means sigma is a comma b. Suppose one example, this one is a comma b, either it can be 0 comma 1 also, a comma 0 also, or any other C comma D also, or whatever. But suppose we are taking this, we are assuming like this one sigma is a comma b. Then we will say, suppose we are saying sigma ki power 0. Sigma ki power 0 means here set of all strings over sigma of length 0 means all strings that are having length 0 and all should be made with the help of alphabet. Alphabet is a comma b. If we are talking about the string that are having length 0, so only one string is possible, that is sigma, this one. Epsilon we will say, or empty we will say, empty string. Epsilon also we can say, either we can denote with this e epsilon also, one opposite v also we denote with empty string. Like this manner, suppose we are talking about sigma ki power 1. So meaning of this one is set of all string over sigma of length 1. So if we are making strings with this sigma and that is length, that is of length 1, so that will be only a and b. Suppose we are talking about the strings that are of length 2. So what will be? So that will be AA, BB, AB and BA. So all these four strings will come in this one sigma ki power 2. And if someone is asking how many, this mod is how many? So that is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. So here we can say this one is this language, also we can say this one is finite language because 4 we can count. Similarly, sigma ki power 3, that is 8. Like I already informed in previous lecture, like AAA, AAB, ABA, ABB, BAA, BAB, BBA, BBB. So that is totally 8. Now in next, that is cardinality. So cardinality is number of elements in a set, which is basically sigma ki power n. So here we are saying, suppose someone is asking what is cardinality. So that is number of elements in a set, that we will denote this one with modulus ki power n, like this example. So here cardinality of this one is the set of all string over alphabet of length 2. So that is 4. So cardinality of this one is 4. So if we are talking like universal set, so sigma ki power asterisk is a universal set. So in that all string will come, either it will be 0 length, either it will be 1 length, either it will be 2 length, either it will be 3 length, or and so on. So here a 0 length string I already know, that is only empty is possible, empty string. And string of length 1 with this alphabet, that is a comma b possible. String of length 2, only 4 strings are possible, AA, AB, BA and BB. So here we cannot tell means how many strings possible with this alphabet. We cannot count. So because of that, we will see that one as infinite language. So thank you so much.